Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wade, and today guys, I got a special video for you. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to be doing this challenge all the year 2022. And if you guys want to partake in this challenge with me, you're more than welcome to. We're going to start low. I'm going to be investing $50 a week into 7 ETF, and then I'm going to track the performance throughout the year. And at the end of the year, guys, I'm going to look to see how each ETF did and if I increased my money on any of them. Okay, so if you guys like this kind of content, please like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it, and it will help out this video tremendously. So the first ETF, guys, I'm going to jump into and start investing is SPY, which is the S&P 500. And pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna invest $10 into this one. As we can see, last year it was up 26%. You can buy fractional share. You don't have to buy the whole share because it's $475 here, as you can see, right? So we're gonna do $10 in the SPY, and then what we will do is we're gonna do SPXL. We're gonna be investing in that one next, and that one here is the 3-time leverage of the SPY. So if the S&P 500 goes down 1 or 2, 3%, this one will go down 3 times as much, so 2, 4, and 6%, right? So as you can see, in the 1 year, last year, this one did 96% return because it 3x the SPY's return. So this one's just a little bit more risky, high risk, high reward. I'm gonna do 5%. I'm gonna do $5, which would be 10%, right, of the $50. Then the next one that we're going to do is DIA. And this is the Dow Jones Industrial, guys. And this one did about 18% last year. And I will go ahead and put $10 into this one per week, right? And then I'm going to do the 3-time leverage, which is UDOW. That's the next one. We're going to go into this one here, guys. As we can see, last year, they gave a return of 64%. And the 3-time leverage, we're going to do $5 here. And we're going to go on to the next one, which is our QQQ here. Go ahead and click on that one. So this is the NASDAQ 100. As you can see, last year it returned 26%. We're going to do $10 for this one for the year 2022 every week. And we're going to go to the 3-time leverage NASDAQ, which is TQQ. Go ahead, search here. We're going to find it. As we can see, last year this one did an 80% return, right? So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna do $5 on this one, which is 10%. And the last one that we're gonna be investing into is SPYG, which is the S&P 500 Growth ETF. It has all the growth stocks that are in the S&P 500. And as we can see, this one last year did a return of 30%, right? And then we're gonna do $5 into this one. So guys, this is the challenge. I'm gonna be investing this amount on the weekly basis. You guys could do every other week or monthly, whatever time you get paid, guys. I'm gonna be doing it on the $50 a week, going every week, going into 2022. If you guys want to take part of this challenge, you're more than welcome to. You could put more, you could put less. I want to start with $50 because I feel like that's a great budget for everyone to be able to participate. Then again, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Please take this with a grain of salt. Guys, going forward, please consult your financial advisor before taking part of this challenge. This is only for entertainment purposes. I will keep you guys updated on a weekly basis about this challenge and going forward, guys. And if you like this kind of content, guys, please like the video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your day.